Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm going to show you how to use Nature Republic BB Cream. BB stands for Blemish Balm, and I agree, it is a blemish balm. You put it on your face, and it just feels really, really good. You'll feel really smooth and soft. It's not irritating or dry. Smell of it. If you smell this, I wish you could smell this. I don't even know what it smells like. It smells really, wow. It smells really good, and it comes in a cute little compact. It's really cute and tiny, so it's easy to travel with. And if you buy this product, you might be a little confused if you're not Korean. I bought this from Korea. I do not live there. I have not been there. I really want to go there, but I ordered this online, and I really did not know what to expect from it. I just saw a picture of JYJ. I was like, interesting. I knew they were out with Nature Republic, and I looked up their products, and I saw it online, and I was like, I kind of want to try this. So I bought it, and it was because of JYJ. I saw Jaejoong's picture on it. There was a few products with Rain and another celebrity, but I was really attracted to the one Jaejoong was using, because if you've seen their faces, they have a really nice skin complexion, and I mean, I don't have bad skin complexion, but it's like, if I can have skin like theirs, then yeah, I'm going to buy that product. And when I bought the product, this came with, I was really excited. It made my day. And when I go to their concert this year in DC, so I'm only wearing this product. I have other products on, but this is the only Nature Republic product I have on. I will buy more, so if you want to see more tutorials or ask me any questions about Nature Republic, I will answer them, because I'm going to continue to buy them, and if you want me to buy a specific kind from Nature Republic, I will check it out and see what I can do. So comment down the box below and ask me your questions, or thank you, arigatou gozaimasu, kokini, arigatou. Thank you, arigatou gozaimasu. Nature Republic BB Cream. JYJ uses. That's how it looks like. I was a little worried when I bought it, because I didn't exactly know what color it was. I was afraid it was going to be too light. It smells really, really good. Like, I didn't know makeup actually smelled good. Just a lot of dark circles, and it does even out my skin tone. This is the first time I'm actually using the BB cream. I only tested it a little bit when I got it yesterday. I'm very picky about my makeup, and the fact that I actually like this, I really only bought it because JYJ uses it, and I really like them. So, I highly recommend this if you're worried that you won't like the product, or if you just want it because JYJ or Bi Rain has it or endorses it, then it's okay. Don't worry, it's a really good product and it will help your skin because I have really sensitive skin. I'm allergic to several things and my skin gets a little dry, and this really helps my skin out. I only bought one product, and next time I will definitely buy some more and I will show you what it's all about. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask me and I'll tell you anything you want about this. My skin tone, and it looks really good and I really like it. It's not as expensive as what I used to buy. I used to buy really expensive makeup. I won't mention the product because I don't. This looks really good. And then I got it and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It finally came. And I opened it and I was like, what is this? I didn't know it came with some other stuff too. Apparently a little bit of a surprise. It came with a postcard with Jaejoong on it. And I was like, okay. I'm not complaining. I really like it. I'm going to a JYJ concert sometime this year when I come to DC. It's still a long way from my house, at least 7 hours maybe, but I'm really excited because I've never been to a big concert and the one I get to see is JYJ. So I'll probably bring that picture and be like, oh look, your endorsements work, I bought it because of you, and they sent me a picture. I'm going to have you sign it. Well, thank you for watching.